drinks of India. Today it is Sattu da Sharbat. You need roasted chanas. So roasted gram flour, which is actually very healthy, very nutritious, refreshing for the hot summer days. As well, it has low glycemic index, which makes it as a healthy drink for diabetics as well. And removing the skin is very easy part. All you have to do is take few chanas and just with your palms let it go like this. So this way you can remove that skin. Powder of these roasted chanas. So this is your homemade sattu powder, which you can save it in a container, and any time on a go, even you want to have this drink, you can. Let's make this drink, which is so simple with just few ingredients. All we are going to do now is to put some cold water, Himalayan salt, some sugar or jaggery or honey to just sweeten it up a little bit. Now I'm going to add sattu powder, black salt, kala namak, also known as kala namak according to your taste, jaggery. Mix it together in the glass. Our sattu drink is ready. Just refreshing, delicious. Sattu flour can settle down in the drink. So all you have to do is just make sure you mix your drink well. Add a splash of lemon juice. Again, that is optional. I just like it. Your Sattu da Sharbat is ready. Enjoy. Follow, like and share with all your friends who are Sattu lovers.